External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj said India has received $55 billion in FDI in the last 2 years. Addressing an hour-long annual press conference in which she highlighted the achievements of the NDA government in the diplomatic sphere in the past 1 year, the minister noted that enhanced economic engagement with countries across the world has been a major priority area of the government's foreign policy.
It was an occasion to recount the achievements of the External Affairs Ministry in last 2 years, and it was pretty long list. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj highlighted the achievements of our government under every front, ranging from the neighborhood to positioning India as a force on the global stage.
ग्लोबल एजेंडा को शेप देने में हमारी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है। ये यात्राएं जब मल्टीलेटरल ग्रुपिंग के लिए होती हैं, बहुदेशीय लोग जब इकट्ठे बैठते हैं, तो उसमें हम मूक दर्शक बन के नहीं बैठते। हम हाँ में हाँ मिलाने वाले देश नहीं होते। एक इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस यानी सौर ऊर्जा में एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गठबंधन की हमने स्थापना की, जिसका सेक्रेटेरिएट भी भारत में बना। आतंकवाद, CCIT का भारत का प्रस्ताव 1996 से पड़ा है, लेकिन उसे ठंडे बस्ते से हम निकाल कर लेकर आए।
India's membership in the Nuclear Suppliers Group was an issue that was talked at length, and India hoped that consensus will be achieved when the meet happens in Seoul.
हम आशावादी हैं कि हम चीन को भी इसमें मनाने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे, और बाकी जो देश जिनसे बात हो रही है, जैसे 23 देशों से तो मेरी ही बात हुई है, तो उनमें भी 2-1 ने कुछ जिज्ञासाएं जाहिर की, लेकिन बाकी किस देशों ने सीधे सीधे सपोर्ट करने की बात की। तो मुझे लगता है कंसेंसस बन रहा है, और शायद कोई देश उस कंसेंसस को ना तोड़े और इस बार NSG की मेंबरशिप हमें मिल जाए।
On Pakistan, India elucidated its three-pronged strategy, which was based on one simple thing, that terrorism and talks can't go together hand in hand.
हमने इस सरकार के आते ही पाकिस्तान की तरफ त्रिसूत्रीय नीति, 3 सूत्री नीति बनाई। पहला, हम हर मुद्दे को वार्ता से हल करना चाहते हैं। दूसरा, पर वार्ता के पक्षकार केवल 2 होंगे, हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान। कोई तीसरा देश या कोई तीसरा समूह इसमें भागीदार नहीं हो सकता। और तीसरा, आतंक और वार्ता साथ साथ नहीं चल सकते।
The minister highlighted many achievements of her ministry. These included a 43% increase in FDI due to foreign engagements. There has been simplification in getting passport. 1.3 lakh passports were issued in this year. Passport offices have been opened in every state of the Northeast region. Overall, India engaged with 140 countries in last 1 year. There were many high-level engagements with Africa in form of the India-Africa Summit 2015. Small Pacific nations were also engaged at the FIPIC, or the Forum for India-Pacific Island Cooperation Summit in Jaipur. Giving a push to the Link West policy, there have been many high-level visits to the Gulf region, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to 4 countries in the region, which are Iran, UAE, Qatar and Saudi Arabia. And also helping the neighborhood when the countries were in crisis, such as Nepal's earthquake, Sri Lanka's flooding and the Maldivian water crisis.
Well, 2 things stood out during the press conference: NSG membership and India's Pakistan policy. On NSG membership, India is hopeful to get consensus in Seoul when the meeting happens towards the end of the month. While with Pakistan, India reiterated that terror and talks can't go hand in hand. With camera person Vinay, Siddhant Subal, DD News, New Delhi.